Hello, my name is Jose Cabrita from RapidX, and I will show you how to create a feature in SAP Cloud ALM. When you're using a feature, you can document changes and manage the deployments in your productive system. So let's jump into our SAP Cloud ALM system. From here, you will see or search for the requirement tile. And when you're here, you will basically open the requirement that you want to be proceed, and it's going to be part of the delivery of this activity. This is currently in realization, and from here you can see that there is a create button. Select it and then use the feature as the option. Now you got the opportunity to create a feature. You can see that the tile is pre-populated. You can assign a description. When that's done, you can click on save and close. And now you can see that the feature is now linked with the requirement. You can click on the feature again, and now we can click on start implementation. This is going to signify that the development activities can start. And now you could be in a position to create transport, so you can assign transport, but for the purpose of this activity, I'm gonna leave the transport request apart. So let's click on save. And when this is done, basically the intention is that when all the development activities are completed, you move your features to handover to test. So that means that your transport, after has been released from the development system and imported into the QA system, is ready to be validated and the testing can take place. So let's set the status to in testing, so you can see here that everything is ready. And with this, we conclude this session. I hope that you have enjoyed. Thank you.